should we approach thinking about using generative AI? Critically. You might have heard of the concept of human in the loop, in which a human, quote, actively participates in the operation, supervision, or decision-making of an AI. We riff off of that by advocating that you should keep the lawyer in the loop when you're approaching an AI to ensure that you utilize your skills and forefront your ethical responsibilities. To internalize that, we suggest first understanding how your natural cognitive biases impact your critical use of generative AI and ways to combat that. AI plays deeply into several cognitive biases that all humans have. Cognitive biases are important natural mental shortcuts that we all use, and just because we have them doesn't mean that we shouldn't use generative AI. Cognitive biases are useful, but they're often exacerbated by AI, especially these four. The automation bias, because we trust the computer's decision. The authority bias. AI sound like experts, and we tend to trust experts. The anchoring bias. We latch on to whatever we hear first, even if it ends up being wrong. And the confirmation bias. We're more likely to trust things that confirm our beliefs. So, how do we combat these cognitive biases? The first way to combat them is actually just to acknowledge them, what we just did. Other ways to combat cognitive biases include assessing how they might impact our judgment whenever we want to use an AI. Ask yourself whether your prompt to an AI are encouraging it to be positive or to be critical, and then actually use the AI itself. Prompt it to challenge any implicit assumptions or even to play devil's advocate with you. Bottom line, always ask whether you're using the AI as a source of information or as a tool. So let's make that stick. Answer the question about cognitive biases, and then we'll move on to the next video.